Pride Squad, what it do, man? It's your boy JR here, back with JRTProductions. Another video, and this is a video that is gonna, well, a lot of people were concerned about it. One person for sure I know, and it actually was one of my subscribers who brought it to my attention, and that is, and this is concerning the battery. You see the thumbnail, you see the title. Like I said, when my battery died, I unplugged my fuse for the Underglow kit. So what I'm trying to see is if the Underglow kit was the thing that was actually draining the battery. So this is something that I'm gonna try. Not really, I wanna know, but I'm not too sure. Shout out to Hemi versus Ninja. I hope I'm getting your name right, dog. I hope I'm not messing it up. But I really appreciate you dropping that comment because that's a really good question. But first thing, before we get started, I wanna go and get this cold, well, something like a cold start. I'm just getting off work. So let's just hear how it sounds. Oh, that thing sounds crazy. That thing sounds crazy. Can you hear me? All right, so we back here in the trunk right now. Let's take a look at this battery real quick. This is the new battery that I got. So yeah, you got the A50 on the cold crank, which is this is a really good battery, man. I gotta admit, like, the car starts up real nicely with it and everything. But anyway, so this is the fuse box down here. I hope y'all can see this. I'm looking at it too, but it looks like y'all can. So what we're gonna do is plug in this fuse. Now, me plugging this in right now, I hope it doesn't blow or anything. As a matter of fact, you know what, I ain't even gonna take that chance. I'm gonna turn it off. Then I'm gonna plug the fuse in. Cause sometimes, honestly, I forget which fuse I need to plug it into. But maybe, let me see. All right, so let me crank this up real quick. Yeah, that's the right one. All right. We have lights. We have lights. All right, it's good. We're going on hop inside, put this back real quick. All right, y'all, so let me open this up. Let me let the sunroof back so y'all can kind of see your boy. All right, so this is what I'm gonna do. I have the Underglows plug black in again. I have the Underglows plugged in now. So I'm just gonna let the car, you know, I'm headed to the gym right now. And I'll just get up in the morning and I'm gonna see if it cranks. And y'all gonna be there with me. And hopefully, I'm really hoping that it's not the Underglow kit that caused it to that caused the battery to drain. Because if that's the case, then that means there's a malfunction with the kit itself. And I'm gonna keep it all the way real with you. Like, I like the kit, I enjoy it, although I don't use it like that, because honestly, it's really something that I want to use at like a car show or car meet, you know, or something where I got the car on display. It's not like I ride around with it all the time, because it draws a lot of attention. It does. So a lot of times I don't have it plugged in. I don't have it, well, I have it plugged in, but I have it off, you know what I'm saying, using the Bluetooth app. So I mean, if it is the light that's causing the issue, you know, with the draining of the battery, I'm just gonna leave it alone. I ain't gonna mess with it, you know what I'm saying? And that's a problem for another day. I ain't gonna worry about it or whatever. But anyway, so yeah, I got the lights plugged back in, so y'all will see in the morning, we will see in the morning whether or not the lights was the issue on the old battery or not. Again, man, shout out to you, Hemi versus Ninja, man, for pointing that out, because that's something I didn't think about. But so yeah, we'll see, man. So I'll see y'all in this next clip. Oh yeah, one more thing before we go. If this is your first time at the channel, man, go ahead and hit that like button, because I got a lot of great useful information if you plan on doing any of these modifications that you see this car has had. If you go back in the archives, I got plenty of videos, plenty of mods, plenty of do's and don'ts, a lot of things that you may want to do like I did, or may not want to do like I did. Either way, it's all great knowledge. So go ahead and hit that like button. Go ahead and drop a comment below. Let me know what you think so far. And subscribe, you know what I'm saying, so you can stay in touch. Hit that bell notification, that post notification button, so that you know when I post these videos. I'm on a roll this week, y'all. I'm on a roll. This is a good thing and a bad thing though, because you know it's been a lot of bad stuff happening. I mean, yeah, bad stuff happening. Well, not bad stuff. Issues with modifications and cars or whatever, and the car or whatever. But it's all good. We getting it worked out. Y'all ride with me through the whole thing, so it's cool. Not only that, if you're interested in seeing some tech stuff, go to my other channel that I got, man. It's JRTEK3. There you will see a whole lot of great content as far as tech is concerned. I'm really just getting it started, so I'm basically doing everything that I have. I'm doing reviews on and posting videos on everything that I have tech wise. It's a lot of phone stuff, you know, a lot of earbuds and headphones, you know, stuff that you use every day, tech stuff that you use every day. So if you take a look right here real quick, we got the 11 Pro Max right here. Let me go take it off this clip here for you. 11 Pro Max, midnight green, 256 gig on that IoT clip right there. I'm gonna talk about that another video too. And I also got the my the Note 10 Plus right here. You know what I'm saying? So those are two phones I'm rocking with right now. Oh, and then recently today, we just got in the AirPod Pros, man. Whoo! Look at the things, man. Oh, that's clean. That is so clean. But yeah, just posted a video up on that too. You know, just doing a little unboxing and first impressions. But anyway, like I said before, man, I'll see y'all in the morning and pray to God that this car starts. I don't need these kind of problems. I just want to live my life and be great. It's another day and a moment of truth. Good morning, Prod Squad. Even though it's just another clip for y'all, how y'all doing on this beautiful morning? Yeah, it's kind of cool out here. As you can see, I have got the merch on. Link is in the description. Go on, copy one because it's real comfortable. It's real comfortable. But without further ado, man, let's go ahead on and get into the main event of this video. Car's been sitting all night in the garage, of course, but it is car's been sitting all night in the garage, but it's cool. Underglow lights are plugged in, so we want to just go ahead on and see if she's gonna crank up, and what better way than with a super cold start. Not a super cold start, but it's cold enough. So, like I always say, we're gonna see on this first click if everything is cool. Here we go. Alright, so as you can see, everything is good. Shout out to Hemi versus Ninja, man. I really appreciate you pointing that out in the comment section below. Real dude for that, because that was a pretty big factor, to be honest with you. I know that I unplugged it, and that could have been the culprit, although I'm glad it's not. You know what I'm saying? So I appreciate y'all looking out for me, man. Anyway, go get your merch, man. Link is in the description below. Again, I'm shooting on my Canon M50 right now. I'm not shooting on the 11 Pro Max, but because y'all said y'all like the quality in that video, I probably will every now and then be shooting on that phone, because the cameras on those things are so amazing. And look, and if you want some more information about them, go to my other channel, which is JRTEK3, which will also be in the link in the description. There will also be a link in the description. Go and check that out. If you want some more information on just some good tech, you know what I'm saying, some phone stuff, some earbud stuff, you know what I'm saying, just some good stuff, man. But anyway, if this is your first time on the channel, do not forget to hit the like button if you like the video. Drop a comment below. Let me know what you think, man, about I don't know, man, the Borla Attack exhaust sounds crazy. The Underglows look crazy. Every time I show them to you, it's a different color. It's because I got them cycling right now. Tent job is looking good. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button, man, because if you want to know how I did all these modifications, where I got some of these modifications done at, everything is in my video archive, man. But anyway, I ain't gonna hold y'all up no longer. See if I got anything else to tell y'all. I feel like I'm forgetting something. Oh yeah, follow me on IG, man, JRTProductions3, Snapchat J_Rocks3, Facebook page. I'm trying to ramp that up a little bit more. That's just JRT Productions. You can find that as well. That's it, man. I ain't got nothing else for y'all. So anyway, man, this is JRT Productions. Y'all hold her down. I'll see y'all in the next one.